Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to export my data from Freshbooks. So this is going to become particularly useful in case, let's say, tax season is around the corner and you need to provide a profit and loss statement, or you need to provide your balance sheet. So what we're actually going to do is hop onto our Freshbooks account, and then you're going to reach a page that looks like this right here. Now, it really depends on what type of data you want to go and export. So I'm just going to be going a few examples to actually show you what sort of data we could actually export. So the first one is a clients list. So if you click on the left-hand side clients and then click on more actions, you could actually export all your clients. So that is one type of data sheet to actually export. Now, other ways to export data is on the left-hand side, you want to go ahead and click on reports. And then from here, you want to go ahead and scroll down. So here's where you're going to see various different types of reports. I've actually exported expense reports before. I've accounts payable aging before. The two most common types of data that I tend to actually export is balance sheets and profit and loss statements. If you want to see your payroll reports, you can actually scroll down, and here's a payroll journal that you could actually export as well. Now, I hope you found this video helpful, but this is how I've been able to find the best way to actually go ahead and export your data from FreshBooks. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.